Welcome back to Glow Mode. Today, we're talking about something everyone wants, but most people completely overlook: how to always smell good and look fresh, no matter where you go or how long your day is. When you master this skill, people notice you before you even say a word, because smelling clean and looking fresh instantly boosts your aura, makes you more attractive, and gives off that confident, put-together vibe. The best part? You don't need expensive perfumes or fancy products. What actually matters are the right habits, simple routines, and consistency. In this video, I'm breaking down a straightforward, powerful guide that will keep you smelling amazing and looking fresh every single day, without wasting money or effort. Let's dive in. 1. Keep your body properly clean. Smelling good starts with one simple thing: a clean body. And I don't mean taking a quick 2-minute shower where you splash water and leave. You have to shower the right way. Wash your underarms, chest, groin, neck, behind your ears, and feet properly. These are the areas where bacteria builds up and causes smell. Sweat on its own does not smell. It only smells when it mixes with bacteria. The cleaner you keep your body, the longer you stay fresh, even if you sweat later. Shower at least once a day. And if you live in a hot climate or sweat a lot, shower twice. This one habit alone instantly improves your freshness. 2. Trim your body hair to reduce smell. A lot of guys don't realize this, but hair traps sweat and bacteria, especially underarm hair. When sweat gets stuck in hair, it creates more smell even if you shower properly. Trimming your body hair is a powerful hack. It keeps your underarms cleaner, prevents sweat from getting trapped, and makes deodorant work far better. You don't need to shave fully, just keep it short and clean. This one step can cut body odor almost in half, and it makes you feel lighter and fresher throughout the day. 3. Choose a simple but effective shower routine. You don't need expensive products to smell amazing. You just need consistency. Use a simple soap or body wash with mild fragrance, nothing too strong. Clean yourself properly and rinse off completely. Guys often leave soap residue, and then it mixes with sweat later and creates weird smell. Also use a fresh towel. A dirty towel has bacteria and can make you smell even after shower. Think about it. You take a clean shower and then rub your body with a towel that smells old and damp. It ruins the whole point. Always use a clean towel and wash it every few days. 4. Use deodorant and antiperspirant the right way. This is where many guys make mistakes. Deodorant and antiperspirant are two different things. Deodorant controls odor. Antiperspirant controls sweat. If you want to smell good all day, use both. Apply antiperspirant at night before sleeping, and apply deodorant after your morning shower. This combination keeps you dry and smelling clean for a long time. Also, apply deodorant on clean skin. If you apply it on sweaty skin, you're just trapping the smell underneath. Always pick mild, long-lasting scents. Strong ones fade faster than you think. 5. Keep your breath clean and fresh. You can smell like the most expensive perfume, but if your breath smells bad, everything falls apart. Brush your teeth twice a day. Scrub your tongue. Most bad breath comes from bacteria on the tongue. Drink water regularly and avoid strong-smelling foods right before leaving home, like garlic, onions, and heavy spices. Keep gum or mints in your pocket. This is your secret weapon. Fresh breath instantly makes you more attractive and pleasant to talk to. 6. Wear fresh and clean clothes every day. This is a huge one, and most guys ignore it. Even if you shower and use deodorant, if your clothes smell old, dusty, or sweaty, you will smell bad no matter what. Always rotate your clothes and let them dry completely before wearing them again. Never wear damp clothes. Even a little moisture creates horrible odor, especially in humidity. Wash your shirt, socks, and underwear regularly, because these hold the strongest smells. Fresh clothes automatically make you cleaner and more confident. 7. Wash your laundry properly. Your clothes are the #1 carrier of your scent, and if they aren't washed properly, no perfume can save you. Use a mild fabric softener or add a few drops of essential oil in the final rinse. It gives your clothes a natural clean smell that lasts all day. Let your clothes dry in open air. Sunlight kills bacteria and gives a fresher scent. Wearing clothes that smell naturally clean makes a huge difference. Your clothes do have to work for you. Step 8. Keep your hair and scalp clean. Your hair holds smell more than you think, especially if you sweat or stay outdoors a lot. Wash your hair regularly, but not too much. 2 to 3 times a week is perfect for most guys. Oily scalp starts smelling quickly, and when your hair smells oily, your whole vibe becomes less fresh. Keep your hair clean and dry. If you use gel or wax, wash it out at night. Clean hair makes your entire face and aura look fresher. 9. Drink enough water to control body odor. Your diet and hydration have a massive impact on how you smell. When you are dehydrated, your sweat smells stronger and your breath becomes dry and unpleasant. Drink at least 2 liters of water daily. This helps your body remove toxins and keeps your sweat lighter and less smelly. Add lemon or cucumber to your water for extra freshness. This is the cheapest glow-up hack and one of the most effective ones. 10. Eat foods that improve your natural scent. What you eat becomes part of your natural scent. Leafy greens, fruits, yogurt, and herbs make your body smell cleaner from the inside. Foods that make you smell worse include garlic, too much dairy, red meat, junk food, and heavy spices. You don't have to cut everything. Just balance your meals. The cleaner your diet, the cleaner your natural scent. 11. Choose the right perfume and apply it correctly. Perfume is the final step, not the first step. Apply perfume on your pulse points, wrists, neck, behind the ears, chest, and lightly on your clothes. Do not rub your wrists together. It breaks the top notes and makes the scent fade faster. Spray 2 to 4 times. That's enough. You want people to smell you when they come close, not from 10 meters away. Choose clean, fresh scents like citrus, aqua, or light woods. They smell good on almost everyone and last longer in hot weather. And remember, perfume only works on a clean body. Perfume on a dirty body becomes 10 times worse. 12. Maintain freshness throughout the day. To smell good all day, you have to maintain it, not just start with it. Always carry a small deodorant or body spray, chewing gum, wet wipes, and a travel-size perfume. This is your freshness kit. If you sweat, wipe your underarms and apply deodorant again. If you ate something strong, chew gum. If your scent fades, apply one light spray. This is how guys stay fresh for long hours, at school, at work, or hanging out with friends. Smelling good is not luck. It's strategy and consistency. So that's it for today's video. Stay consistent with these habits, and you'll smell good and look fresh all day. I'll see you in the next one. Stay sharp, stay confident, and keep glowing with Glow Mode.